the best street ingredient smoothies for on the go. Hey guys, welcome back to Top Notch Delicacy, and today we'll be taking a look at the best street ingredient smoothies for on the go. A quick smoothie is often a lifesaver when it comes to an easy meal, and these street ingredient smoothies are perfect for on the go snacks. Let's take a look. Easy peasy mango smoothies. First up, we have a super tasty and easy smoothies to make that will make you feel like you're living on a private island somewhere. All you need is a cup of frozen mango chunks, half a cup of a Greek yogurt or vegan yogurt if you're vegan, and a cup of an almond milk. Pour all together in a blender and blend until creamy and smooth. Drink this in car on the way to work and feel full and satisfied for hours. Banana honey smoothie. Sometimes the best smoothies are the simplest. While seeds and flavors and greens are good and all, sometimes we just don't have those ingredients in our kitchen. The next time you're low on ingredients, Spoonful of Kindness suggests blending 1 frozen banana in half a cup of almond milk and 1 tablespoon of honey or agave. It's sweet, it's filling, and totally simple. Green yummy smoothies. Green juices and smoothies get a bad rap at times, mainly because they are green. But you are getting a fulfilling amount of greens in form of a liquid. Why force down a head full of broccoli when you can sip your greens instead? The Almond Eater says to blend 2 bananas with 2 cups of spinach and 1/4 cup of almond milk. If you'd like a little more flavor to your smoothies, throw some peanut butter or honey in there for some sweetness. Apple banana. If there are 2 fruits that most people have laying around in their household, it's bananas and apples. They are fruits that can be eaten whole or used for baking. Kevin and Amanda suggest peeling 1 banana and mixing it with 1 peeled apple, peanut butter, and some almond milk. If you prefer your smoothies colder, throw the apple and bananas in freezers beforehand. Blueberry vanilla. This easy blueberry smoothie is one of the most absolute easiest and quickest smoothies recipes. It's thick and delicious, sweet with only a hint of sourness. This delicious morning smoothie is filled with antioxidants and vitamins. For a creamy berry experiences, grab a cup and a half of frozen blueberries, 4 cups of vanilla yogurt, and 2 to 3 tablespoons of honey. If the smoothie is too thick for you due to the yogurt, have less yogurt and replace it with almond milk instead. Throw everything in a blender and you are good to go. Strawberry banana. This one is the simplest and most delicious recipes on this list. All you need are 3 simple ingredients: bananas, strawberries, and almond milk. Cut up a banana and a cup of strawberries to keep frozen until you're ready to use them. And then when the mood strikes, dump it all in a blender with some milk. If you're looking for a little more nutrients, put a handful of spinach in here or some chia seeds for protein. Cherry almond. Almonds are full of protein and are super tasty. There's a reason so many people love snacking on the back of a salted almonds or sipping on an almond milk. There's even almond butter for toast. Almonds has an awesome smoothie recipe consisting of a cup of frozen cherries, 1 cup of almond milk, and 2 tablespoons of almond butter. Cherries are full of antioxidants and have the capability of limiting inflammation. You can buy real cherries and freeze them yourself, or you can buy a bag of the frozen cherries in your grocery store. Orange banana berry. This is a gorgeous smoothie that's just not flavorful, but it's pretty to look at too. Using 1 peeled orange, 1 frozen banana, and a half cup of frozen berries. Blend these together with either 3/4 cups of water or milk. Throw a few berries on top as a garnish to make your morning smoothie looks as good as it tastes. If you feel this smoothie is too tart, add a tablespoon of honey or agave to the mix to make it smoother. Tangerine pineapple banana. The recipe for this morning smoothie is bound to make a little sunshine of your life. Whether it's summer or fall, how can you not look at the drink above and feel warmth? Grab 2 peeled tangerines and blend them with a half a cup of frozen pineapple chunks and frozen banana. The juices from the tangerines and pineapple will make this smoothie less thick, but if you need some additional help, you can have a cup of water or almond milk. Watermelon basil. This smoothie is perfect for a warm day. Mixing watermelon with basil and coconut water is both refreshing and filling. Buy a whole watermelon from the store and cut it into cubes. Throw those cubes in the freezer until you are ready to use them. In this case, grab 5 cups of cubed watermelons, half a cup of coconut water, and 4 large basil leaves. Thank you for watching.